Yeah, any top edge, not the top edge, but any rejection high, Costas, right? Any swing high, absolutely, Julian, right? So if we're looking for any swing high against the banker's bet, and I draw this on the charts, have we got any swing highs to the left-hand side? Can anybody see any swing highs to the left-hand side of the current prices? Well, we know that the trade is a sell trade, so the swing high previous to that is that level there. Would you have known that in advance? Would you have known about that swing high in advance? Absolutely, because it sold off. So that's your first opportunity. As the price drops, where's your new swing high? Your new swing high is going to be here, of course, isn't it? As the price drops, we see that there is a balance area forms here, so that means that there was a finished auction here, correct? Yes? That balance area kind of stays the same, so that we're not going to start counting this swing auction. So there's your next opportunity to sell into it right there, correct? The price drops, and the price drops. So where's your next swing high? Your next swing high is going to be somewhere in here, correct? And there's your sell trade right there. So there you go, guys. Three opportunities to sell the NASDAQ against the classroom from yesterday, which has just made a profit from 280 to 160 of 120 NASDAQ points, guys, from a live classroom from yesterday. 120 NASDAQ points. Anybody like to remind everybody how much money 120 NASDAQ points is worth? On a single contract basis. A chicken dinner, abso-fucking-lutely, a chicken dinner plus a couple of bottles of Cristal champagne. It's a lot of money, Tim. Is this exactly what we talked about this morning on gold? Except for the fact it's not gold and it's not the same value line. But other than that, is this exactly the same process that we found a $1,600 trade this morning on gold on? It is exactly the same trade setup, Paul, isn't it? It's exactly the same process. It's exactly the same way of finding these trades. The gold trade made $1,600. The NASDAQ trade has made $2,400. That's a $4,000 profit per contract on two trades. $4,000, guys, on two trades. Who's still scratching their arses trying to figure this out? Who still doesn't get it? Who's been left at the train station watching as we make fortunes? Who still's not in the book making these decisions? Because these are areas, aren't they? They're not trades, they're areas. And the reason why they become trades is because the value is still building in them. If the value was coming out, you wouldn't be selling them, would you? So what do we have to do in these areas here? What do we have to do? What do we have to do, guys? We have to find a deal. We have to find a buyer that's trapped. We have to find a buyer that's overpriced. We have to find a book reversal. We have to find whatever it is we've got on our software, Stuart, that we use. Whether you're using MZPAC, whether you're using Sierra charts, whether you're using simply a candle reversal or a volume node or an ICOT indicator or something, we've got to go into these three areas and find the volume spike to lean against, or find something to lean against. Some sort of mechanism, John, absolutely. Some sort of mechanism that is consistent, robust, that you've got 100% confidence in, so that when you draw a line, for example, against a buy stop or a sell stop level, you use it. You don't just think about it, you use it. But you've got to have a structure. When the price comes up into this area and I say, right, we're going on offer watch, the price might continue to do that. We never get a trade because we never seen the offers, we never seen the leans that we needed, we never seen anything that we needed to get into the deal. So obviously what we've got to do is we've just got to look for those opportunities to take advantage of, guys. Look for the opportunities to take advantage of. Every time value builds, we know that if we get a failed auction that we can lean against, that we should be able to lean against another failed auction. It shouldn't be too difficult to understand that process. Shouldn't be too difficult. We'll obviously just touch on that again this afternoon in Classroom. We've got a few things that we need to touch on in Classroom, and we're going to be getting started in just 25 minutes, guys.